let's learn how to use Thunk.AI, the no-code platform designed specifically for a business to create and deploy highly reliable AI agents to automate tedious and human-intensive workflows. Here's how we create a new AI automation workflow. We are going to create a simple Thunk that processes expense receipts. Now my AI agent identifies that we will work on expense receipts as the input to the workflow, and it suggests what the input might look like. I can edit that as appropriate. The AI agent also suggests a process we could follow. Although in practice, most companies have a specific process they want to follow, especially for important business workflows. So I'm going to describe the process to follow. I want to first extract some things from the receipt: total, line items, taxes, and currency. Then perhaps convert that to USD. And, finally, some simple policy to demonstrate the approval process. If no alcohol, approve the receipt. Alright, so that's our workflow process. This is my design surface, and here's my AI agent. It's going to help me build out this Thunk. It's laid out the initial process, fleshed out what I told it with some examples and details. Now I can provide more detail. For example, to convert to USD, it already indicated that we should use the latest exchange rate. But I could say, use a web search to find the exchange rate. I could give it a specific financial website. So in short, I can give it more detail. I can also ask my AI to help me explore other alternate ideas and approaches. But we're going through a demo here, so I'm going to move ahead and say proceed. Now, the AI agent takes this high-level outline of a workflow and converts it into a detailed sequence of steps to run. To do this, it first identifies detailed data structures to maintain for the workflow state, so that when the workflow runs, state can be maintained, and we get reliable and persistent results. So that's what's going on now. The AI agent is doing this work, and of course it's using an LLM underneath to do the planning needed. It's going to present the results to us in just a few seconds. And there we are. Let's look at the detailed plan. In the first step, here are the instruction details. It's going to extract these items and populate certain properties. A lot of properties have actually been determined. Total amount, line items, taxes, currency, exchange rate. Likewise, looking at step 2, convert currency to USD. Detailed instructions have been provided. And in step 3, check for alcohol before approving the receipt. This is our workflow. We could make changes here too if we want. Let's click on Ready, because the Thunk is ready to run. So now we're ready to drop in the very first expense receipt. I'll pick up an expense receipt that I have ready. Add the submitter name. Type it in. OK. Pick a date for the submission. In a real implementation, this would be automated too. Let us say that date is today. And now it's ready to run. You see the entry here. Alright, let's kick off this workflow now. And it is off and running. Let's look at how it runs. Here is the workflow with 3 steps. Thunk.AI has an orchestration engine that runs this particular work item. What was the input? It was a receipt for some Thai food from a Thai restaurant. You can notice the language is Thai. LLMs can process many different languages. Also, the amounts are in Thai baht. The AI agent recognizes that. That's the original amount. And here are the line items. How's that being extracted? It's because this step was assigned to an AI agent, which did the work, and we can go look at that. All of that work detail is always recorded. You can see the detailed history of how the AI environment, which we call an AI guardian, invokes the AI agent to do the work, and verifies and records all the details. Every one of these items that's extracted by AI has always got a fingerprint that tells you what happened, and why, and when. Note that the AI agent has extracted the data and the currency. It has converted the total to USD utilizing a web search from this specific site to get the conversion rate. And using that, it's converted the total to 27 United States dollars. The policy check did not find any alcohol in the expenses. Therefore, it approved the expense receipt. That's the basic concept. When you look at any one of these Thunks, they've always got a plan. That's the plan we built together here. They've got content folders where documents can be added as context for AI decisions, and compliance policy documents can be added as well. There's a large number of tools that are available to the AI agent to do work. For example, there's tools to search the web, which are utilized in this particular case. Workflow inputs can be integrated through APIs, through email, or through webhooks. And of course, every step of AI agentic work gets assigned to somebody for human-in-the-loop intervention, should it be needed. There's various users and their roles, i.e. Thunk. Praveen is the owner of this particular Thunk. It can also have admin users. The Thunk can also have human service agents who get assigned work and who can intervene when necessary to help AI agents with questions or approvals. In fact, there's a lot of options to control rich behaviors. There's many human-in-the-loop options, just as there are many options to control compliance, reliability, security, and modularity. So that's a simple example of how to create a Thunk. You can get started by going to www.Thunk.AI.